a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.